Hello and welcome. My name is Robert Wang and I am the product manager for our Recloser testing solutions here at Omicron, which include the ARCO Control software as well as the ReCoPlan software. Today I would like to introduce to you some of the new features which will be included with the ARCO Control 1.40 and ReCoPlan 2.40 software releases. ARCO Control 1.40 introduces a variety of quality of life improvements for the user. The first of these features is the ability to add an image to the report after an analog output check has been performed. To add an image, please start the test, capture either a photograph or a screen capture of the metering, select the Add Image to Next Report button, navigate to the file location, select the file that you want to attach, select Open, and now the image is attached to the report. Another improvement within the ARCO Control software is in the pickup tool. Now when selecting a voltage pickup, you can now select the source in which you will ramp. The selection options are the source side, load side, or both load and source sides. Another feature added to the pickup tool is now the ability to increase or decrease phase angle with ramping steps. This tool is configured like every other ramping tool and will only increase or decrease the phase angle of the associated current output. The next feature we will discuss pertains to adjusting system phase rotation. In addition to the phase connections, now we have the ability to select either ABC or ACB rotation. Two improvements have been added to the sequencer tool. The first of which is the ability to trigger an end of state via a user interaction. The second improvement involves the ISIO. Now users are able to adjust the ISIO outputs at the beginning of each state to either not changed, open, or closed. The last major feature improvement to this version of ARCO Control is the ability to output DC voltages and currents. To do so, navigate to the DC Output tab and toggle the Allow DC Output button. After selecting Apply, you can now inject both DC currents and voltages from both the Direct tool as well as the Sequencer tool. Now let's have a look at the features introduced with ReCoPlan 2.40. The first new feature we will discuss pertains to the increased amount of test modules that can be entered into a test plan. This value has been increased from 150 test modules to 300 test modules. The next feature introduced with ReCoPlan 2.40 is the ability to lock the test plan. To do so, select Lock Test Plan from the tool ribbon. A pop-up will occur, asking if you are actually interested in locking the test plan, which will make it read-only. After selecting OK, the test plan is locked. This means that any executed test plan from ARCO Control will not allow the user to change the test parameters. In order to unlock the test plan, simply unselect the Lock Test Plan button. The icon will indicate the locked or unlocked status. The last feature we will discuss involves linked values. Percentages can now be added to the test plan in the form of a linked value. To add this type of linked value, navigate to the Linked Values tool ribbon and select Percentage. This will add a new value item to the bottom of the linked values group. Here we can configure the percentage linked value accordingly. After configuring this linked value, navigate to the test module in which you want to link this value. Select it from the list. So that concludes this What's New video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly or any of my support colleagues. Thank you and have a wonderful day.